So hey guys, this is the beginning of a new series. In this series, I pick a mathematical topic. Then I now try to use JavaScript to solve it. And in this series, I call it the mathematical series. And today's topic is differentiation. Without any more waffling, let's get down to business.
So to create the differentiation, the basic differential solver, let's just get something straight. To get something straight, you have this how differentiation looks like. You have y equals to this a is the coefficient, this x is the variable, can be y, just x, this x is variable, and this n is the power. So what we'll now do is to find the differentiation of y, the power multiply the coefficient and the power be minus 1. That's just it. That's just differentiation. This is what I'm going to be turning into JavaScript. So let's do that right now. So this is the HTML. Now let's link it to CSS. Start with CSS, yes. Let's link it to JavaScript. Script.js. That's it. So now let's create everything we need. So div.wrapper. What goes we have in the wrapper? We're going to have a span tag that will say y is equals to. After this, I'm now going to be having a input tag. Input tag of what? Number. So that will be the coefficient. Number. That's it. So the ID will be what? Coefficient. So after the input tag, I'm going to be having the coefficient, then the variable. Variable is xo. Input tag text. So this one will not be disabled because we don't want them to just tamper with this one. This one will just be disabled. So we'll just say value equals to x, then disabled. So we don't want them to tamper with this one. This one is just like that. Next thing I'm going to be doing is now the input dot the power. I'm not going to be using this superscript tag because superscript tag is not going to make it to go up too much. I'm going to be using CSS to make it go up, like to make it to be like a power. That's what I'm going to be using. So this is it. So we'll now put ID of what? With ID of number, ID of power. That's just it. So now let me just write some normal stuff here. Basic differentiation solver. Then the button I'll now solve it on. So button, this one just normal, but let's just say solve. That's it. Then paragraph that it's going to show you what I've done. Now let's check it in the browser. So this is it. As you can see, it's not looking good, it's not looking beautiful. Now let's use the CSS to start it. So I'm going to start with the default selector, this one. I'm going to start with the body next. So the body, so now I've started the body. I'll just start the body straight away. I've started the body. Now let's start each of what is something. So span. It's looking beautiful. Let's start the input. So now let's start the div.wrapper. Just can come down small. Now to now style that this last one here, this one here. To style this so we can do anything we want to do. Let's select the ID straight away so it's not stress us. Hash. That one is better now. So we want to take it up, not down, okay? So let's take it up. And that's it. As you can see, it's already gone up right now. So now let's bring out the let's make it look good. This bit I don't know. Let's okay, this is what I'm looking for here. So now let's decrease the border. And this is just going to look like. And let's give it a font size. This is looking good. So now let's give this padding, let's give it a little bit more. Perfect. So padding 0 to 0. But let's give this one like 1 game. So that's it. So I've successfully styled everything like this. It's looking beautiful like this. So y is equals to this and this. So now let's style let's style the button. And looking beautiful. Let's give it cursor pointer. I'll style the button. It's looking beautiful now. So now let's style the paragraph tag to make it look better. Paragraph, let's just say font size. So like 2 EM. That's what I'm going to be doing now is now going to the JavaScript. We're going to go to JavaScript to now do the remaining the calculation. So first of all, we're going to be selecting the coefficient and the power, the power, the button, and the paragraph tag. Now let's select everything together. So now I've selected everything. Now do the magic. So btn dot add event listener, click, then function straight away. After selecting the button, just add event inside the function, everything. Now let's do something here. Let's state something here. Let's new power equals to power dot value minus 1. You know, and I said this here before. The power here will be minus 1 to find differentiation. I'm not going to say that what the y dx, let the y dx equals to power dot value times coefficient dot value. That's I'm going to say in power dot value times coefficient dot value. Now let's set some if statement, and because of some things that will happen here. So if the power dot value equals to 1, what are we going to say is equals, if power is the value equals to 1, what are we going to be saying? We're going to be saying that what p dot inner html, the paragraph tag dot inner html, yes, equals to backtick. So now what I'm going to be saying, if the power dot value equals to 1, that's 1 minus 1 is 0. I'm not going to be having x here again, so we just say that what the y dx equals to what the y dx equals to the y dx. So if you just show this project, you're going to be like, wow, seriously? So you're just going to show the power dot value times coefficient value. You know, if x is raised to power 1 and 1 minus 1 is what 0, so you're just going to show the coefficients. That's nothing else. So we just say the y dx equals to this, and that's all. That's it. So else, if this is not, if power dot value is not equals to 1, else I'm not going to say if the new power, if that new power equals to 1, new power equals to 1, what am I going to be saying now? I'm not going to say that was p dot inner html equals to what? Instead of just writing 1, like if you say x raised to power 1, let's say I'm saying divide the x of 2x raised to power 2, now that will be 4x raised to power 1. Most of writing that raised to power 1 will be like, this your program is still edge, it still has some comma there. Just saying raised to power 1, can just say that what dy dx, wait, I don't put slash here. So dy dx y dx, yeah, equals straight away. We're going to say what? This dy dx here, dy dx x, that is all. I'm not going to say this power 1. We don't want our program to look perfect, that's all. So what I'm not going to see next again, so else, so if it's not that one, let's just do normal stuff, also do normal stuff. See and paste it here. So let's just do normal stuff. So what's normal stuff? X raised to power what? Sub. Let me create my superscript tag here. So superscript tag, I'm just quickly just copy it from here. Control C, Control X. So let's just paste it here straight. So what I'm going to be having in this media, I'm going to have it in new power straight away. So what I'm not going to be saying, I'm going to be saying that what the you should just show the new power straight away. So already the new power here. New power here, that's it. That's it. So if the new power is equals to 1, I'm just going to say x, nothing is by anything. But if it's not all these ones, to just show it direct to us like that. And let's check it right now. So let's say if you have 3x raised to power, so now let's see now, straight away, no, nothing like, not, we don't want any story, just show us y x equals to 6x, that's all. So you know that new power is 2x raised to power 1. So how many x raised to power 1 plus 6x straight away as this, and that's all. But first let's use to solve this question here. So if the y equals to 3x raised to power 5, what's the y dx? I know you know the answer already. Let's just check it here. I know you know the answer already, so let's just check it here. So 3x raised to power what? 5, and let's see what will be how the answer be. If you see x raised to power 4, as simple as ABC. That's just it. No capping, no capping about it. Let's just look at what are we correct or not. Yes, 5 minus 1, 5 times 3, 15, x raised to power 4. That's just it. So can you like, share, and subscribe to your friends and family? Thank you.